Hello and welcome. You remember in the previous video that I pushed out and I showed you how to check your JAMB results, and I told you that you can get to jam.org.ng. Then here you can see the link to check your result. But recently JAMB just took it out, so you cannot see it now. So how can you check your result now? So simply check your result by testing. Use the same card that you use in registry and just test result. The result has to be in capital letter. Send it to 55019. Make sure you use the very same card that you use in registering and text result to 55019. That's how you get your results for now. So pending the time they still bring it back here so that you can check via this very website. Please hit the subscribe button by the right hand side of the screen. If you like our videos, give us thumbs up. If you have any questions and concerns, drop them in the comment section. And also remember about our IJMB and JAMB program that we are running. Like I said before, you can always call me on my number so that I can give you a breakdown on how we do the program. It's a 1-year program, IJMB A level. You can use it to get admission into 200 level. You can always call my number and I give you a breakdown. My phone number is 070-671-62698. If you have any questions and concerns, drop them in the comment section. Thank you and God bless you.